Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to unlock your iPhone if you forgot your password. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. Across the board, for every method, there is risk. It is the fact that if you don't have a backup already synced to your phone, if your phone is not connected to your iCloud, then you're not going to be able to get that information back because out of all the different options, you're going to have to do a kind of a reset to your phone. But I'm going to show you the top way to go ahead and reset your phone, and it's super simple. So this is why I'm going to use this option. However, like I said, there is like a million out there to go ahead and do, but let's go ahead and jump in now. So for this option, the quickest and easiest way to do it is to use your friend's phone, your parents' phone, anybody's phone. Quickly just go to their Safari, go to iCloud.com. From there, you're going to have to log in with your Apple ID and Apple ID password. Once you're there, you're going to hit Find My Phone, and then you're going to get a bunch of different options here. It's all the different devices you have. Locate the device you want, click on it, and then you're going to hit Erase iPhone and hit Continue. Basically, wait about 5 minutes and your iPhone will be completely erased. Then you would start the process of restoring it by just turning it on, going through that like step-by-step process of restoring it. And at a point, it will ask you if you want to back it up or restore it from a previous backup. You'll say yes, you'll sign into your iCloud there, and you'll be able to get all your information back as long as you have it already backed up to your iPhone. That is the easiest way to do it. If you forgot your password, it will take away that password and you'll reset it and restart. If you guys have any questions on any of that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.